Now children, let's study about the road safety rules. Road safety is the protection and prevention of road accidents. We can minimize or prevent road accidents by following all the road safety measures. So, let us discuss the road safety rules. We should always walk on the footpath. In case if there is no footpath, then walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the traffic coming from the front. In India, we generally walk on the left side of the road. Both are okay. Always cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, first look to your right, then left and right again. Now cross the road when no traffic is coming. Always follow the traffic lights to avoid accidents. When the traffic signal is red, all the vehicles should stop. When the signal is green, vehicles should move. And when it is yellow, all the vehicles should slow down or wait for some time. Do not play or run on the road as it may lead to serious accidents. Do not walk between the vehicles parked on the roads. Wear a helmet when riding a two-wheelers. It protects us from injury. Always follow the correct speed for driving. Don't drive too fast. Overspeed may lead to serious accidents. Do not use your mobile phone while driving or riding any vehicle. Always be alert while driving on the road. Try to cross the road through a subway or footbridge if it is required. So children, we must follow the safety rules on the road, and also we must be very careful and alert to avoid accidents. School is a place where you spend your valuable time in learning many things. So, safety rules has to be followed in the school too. So now we are going to discuss safety rules that we should follow at school. You should not run up or down the stairs as you may fall down and cause injury to yourself and others nearby. Also, do not push each other while walking up or down the stairs as someone might fall down and get hurt. You should not lean over a balcony railing as it may lead to serious accidents or injuries. In the classroom, do not play with pointed objects like scissors, knives, or blades as you or someone else might get hurt. While playing on the swing, you should not stand in front of a swing as you may get hurt from the child who is already playing on the swing. Also, do not push each other while playing or when you are on the swing. By doing so, you might hurt yourself or your friends. You should always stand in a queue and wait for your turn to get in or out of a bus. Do not put any part of your body out of a moving bus. You might hurt yourself or it may lead to serious accidents. Do not climb or jump on the benches or desk in the classroom. You may fall down and get hurt. Also, do not try to get in or out of a moving vehicle as you may fall down and get injury. Children, while playing also, we should follow certain safety rules to prevent ourselves from getting injury. So, let's see what safety rules we have to follow in the playground. First of all, you should not fight while playing. There are different rules of the game, so you should follow the rules of the game. Do not play with sharp and pointed objects, as you or someone else playing with the sharp things may get hurt. You should not play near barbed wires or thorny bushes to avoid any serious injuries. Safety at the swimming pool. Children, we all love to swim. It is a good exercise also. But remember that you should not go alone for swimming. You should always swim in the presence of an adult or coach. And another very important thing to be kept in mind is that do not jump into the swimming pool if you do not know the swimming well. You should not push or pull anyone into the pool. And also, you should not run on the path next to the swimming pool as it is very much slippery.